Okay, now we are touching QGIS project file format, which is QGZ and QGS. First, let's load one or two shape file here. I will drag this one and this one, so we have two layers here. Okay, now we need to save it as project file. Otherwise, if we want to cut or stop the working, but the working is not completely finished, we need to open or reopen the layers one by one again. So this is not effective and not wise. So that's why we need to save it as project file. Okay, for that, there are two ways to do this. First, click project, save as, and second, we click here, the save project icon. And oh no, three ways. First, project save, click the save project icon, and the third is we can combine Control plus S in our keyboard. Okay, we just click here the save project icon, and here I will name it my project 1 QGZ. So this QGZ is my way to note or mark that it is the QGZ format. So if you don't want to use my conventions, that's okay. So we can hit save here, and there we have QGZ, and we will save for another one that is QGS, but we cannot hit the save project anymore because it will save to QGZ. So we need to save as. Just click project and save as. Don't forget to change the save as type as QGIS file, QGS, and we will change this Z to S. And okay. All right. And if we close the project and we want to continue later or tomorrow, we only have to drag the project, not the layer one by one. Okay, just drag like this. For example, we will open the QGS. We will drag here, or we can click the open project here, or Control plus O in our keyboard, or project open. It's up to you. And there first, we will open our QGS, and there it will show where we stop our work in the past. And next we will open the QGZ and open. Okay, maybe you can see there aren't so much differences between these two projects, but in the next session we will discuss the differences between QGS format and QGZ. Okay, thank you.